Hello, guys. Welcome back to Kemi Naturally, a channel to hashtag inspire, hashtag motivate. Don't look at my fingers, they look a mess. I don't know why. I just always thought my nails would be done when I do these intros, but apparently not. Um, Thank you guys for joining me. I am anyone that's joining live or is watching this playback. Thank you so much for watching. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Um, I am currently drinking some tea. I got me some lemon ginger tea. So let me know in the comments what you're drinking. But yeah, where we left off. Oh, I didn't even start this. Um, Oops, that's something else. Let me go ahead and do, I guess, npm start, so that I can show what the site looks like. So this is what it looks like currently. And I want to now just kind of get past this and do the footer today. That should be quite, should go well, I think. So yeah, we can make this site look nice. So for that, I'm actually going to create another component because this footer component is going to stick regardless of which page you're in on the website. So it wouldn't make sense for me to put it just strictly on the dashboard page. I would want to create that. I'm going to make sure, I think I put in the source. Yeah. So it's going to call it footer.jsx for React. And we have our new component. And so for this component, I am probably going to do Bootstrap as well. They might have certain footer layouts, but I don't see it here. They have one for Navbar, so that's why I thought maybe they have it for Bootstrap. So I'm going to do a little bit more investigation. As for Bootstrap 4, oh, is this it? What the heck is this? I guess that's not it. Okay, this is interesting. So it doesn't look like they have it for the Bootstrap version that I have, unless I'm just not looking at it correctly. MD Bootstrap. If that's the case, then that's okay. I will just do it from scratch. So in here, we always want to import React from React so that it knows what to do with it. We can use that React knowledge in our components if need be. I'm going to go ahead and just make this a div for now and see what that looks like. I'm going to call it footer so I can style it. What I like about Bootstrap is that you can, I need to also make this a function, correct? So I'll be able to import it and export it. Let's see if that's, and that's the way it is. So this is again our inspiration. I don't think I'll have a lot, but I like how kind of have this obvious columns that are evenly spaced out. So it looks like they're using like a grid to do that. They have these icons and phone number and email. And that's important for a website. And so let me go ahead and inspect again to see. So this is the entire container. This is the wrapper. This is the class. So this is kind of what I want. And there's this class here. Kind of like they're using a flex, display flex maybe. Then they have the row. And inside that row is the columns. Inside the columns are, this is how it looks. So yeah, so it looks like I will need to create another div. Why is it so hot? Turned off the heater. I get cold easily for some reason, and I'm in Florida right now, so it's not cold outside. I just get cold easily. So I'm wondering if this container is the wrapper. So I guess we call it a wrapper. So that div, they have this icon. I don't have that, but I guess we can do like a text. It's its own if. Each one tag says keep domains for now. And then inside that, there's another div. I like how they also have the sizes, which is a bootstrap thing I can incorporate. So this is the row. So I'll call that I don't know why I'm naming it that way, just column row. So the rows will go here. And they have like 4 rows. So that is what I will do. This thing is erroring out because unreachable code detected. Maybe because I need a parentheses. The React will not know what that is unless I put a parentheses. And I should export it. I think that's also something. Export default. I was just too excited. Okay, cool. So each div has a div, has a div, has a div. So interesting. These columns have a different div inside, and they have like these paragraphs in here. The links. So I guess I'll do that too and see how that looks. I guess they called it like a paragraph. So if you're completely new to web development, the reason why we have these class names here is just for styling purposes. So CSS knows what to select when it's styling. But if there's any questions about what I'm doing, let me know so that I can inform you, because a lot of times I'm not necessarily thinking about certain things that people might not know. I mean, ideally, all of these would have a class name, but I'm just trying to see what it will look like for me. Oh, yeah, and I have to remember this is the div. Maybe I should put a class name so I'm not confused. I guess I can call it column. So within that is actually paragraph. I'm not gonna do a lot. Just gonna one class, and I could just I can make this faster and just copy what I've already written so that it's not as slow. I like to always type things out for some reason. Ooh, child, this is a mess. So many div within div within div within div. But all right. That's what we're gonna do for now. Yeah, so ideally every tag obviously would need like a class. I am going to stick. This is not the ideal way. There's actually a way to do this where we put the route exact path. So like here we have the router, we have the nav bar, we have these routes which depend on what you clicked. So I can put footer here and see what that would look like. And it's not imported, so I need to import it. Okay, so I will see how that looks. I feel like this needs to be tabbed a bit. I think I should play music while I code just to get everyone like pumped about coding. Like, anyway, ignore me. I think that this has been, this has been, I could click on this, but I don't know which browser is going to go on. Okay, so there it is. That's the footer. Obviously, it needs help and it needs styling, but this is what it is for now. Probably going to make this an H2. Okay, so with styling, I suspect they're using Flex because of the wrapper. Oh, I didn't even drink my tea. It's gonna get cold. Wow. Oh, it feels so good to have warm tea. Warm tea in your body. Okay, where was I? Styles. So I'll just go here. You see how they have this flex? This is what I suspected because that's how it looks so nice using display flex. And then with these other you're using position relative, maybe that, well, that doesn't really have too much to do with display flex, but there's display inline block. The thing is they're obviously crossed out, so I'm not, it's not gonna show up. But yeah, we can just go ahead and mess with that with the styling for now and see how that looks. So I have this really long index. Well, it's not that long. I thought it was going to be like really long. This is my index CSS. And just to organize it a little bit, actually, that's not how you comment out code. I'll actually show you how I do it. That's universal if you have a Mac. So I'm going to say that this is a footer. And what I do is I select whatever I want to comment out, and I press, I think it's Command Control Shift, Command Shift. Oops. How did I forget that? I do this all the time. I think I'm just nervous. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I totally don't remember. Is it because I'm nervous or something? I do this all the time. I did this last week. Oh my gosh. What? Okay. I don't know why my brain is like this, but I get really nervous when I talk about things. Command. Yeah. I'm like, I don't know what it is. Like, I just forget. Does anyone else do that? Just forget and they just. That is not it. I think it's control. There it is. Command front. Command. Yeah, there it was. I was clicking the wrong thing. I was clicking backspace. So yeah, that's if you have a Mac, that's the command to COMNAT code. In case you don't know the syntax and see, so this is how you could just do it like this. Where is the star asterisk? 8. You can just type it, but if you don't know anything and you're using different languages or different, libraries or whatever frameworks, obviously they comment out differently. So you can just press command and I don't know what it's called. Is it front something? I don't know, but yeah, this thing here. Sorry guys, I'm just like when I try to teach things, I get really nervous and I just like forget my brain. But anyway, let's go back to that. So we are going to, and I could also just use this as well. And it's green because I just created this and I need to start merging my stuff because it's like, hey, you did this, but you didn't merge it in. So you need to merge it in. The U is because I just created it. Once I merge it in or commit, I guess you should say, this will all disappear. But anyway, cool. So this is the footer. I'm going to mess around with the Coles wrapper first, and I'm going to make it a display text. So this is the, yeah, that's it. And that's pretty much all you can do there. I think the main thing is the row. And because sometimes the caveat or the downside of using inspect is it's not completely obvious, but they do have documentation for display flex, and I always have to resort to it. I know that when I was in boot camp, I was supposed to like memorize how to do it, or I guess we weren't told to memorize. We're just like it felt like it was important for us to memorize it. But I don't feel like you memorize everything as documented when it comes to code. That's why there's documentation. I mean, obviously, some things that you do over and over again, like anything in life, you will remember it. But with coding and many things changing and not working and all the updates, and it's kind of hard to remember or even remember useful knowledge because things change and it's a lot of information. I don't know what this is. I don't even know why I clicked on this thing. Don't click on the first thing because it's usually an advertisement or something useless. I don't really like Flex. Okay, this is nice. So, yeah, Let's see here. Flex container. So I think I want to make the container a flex. Let's see. This is a flex wrap. I don't know if I want it to be flex wrap. Flex flow. Well, flex flow is shorthand for setting both the flex direction and you set it to a wrap. Let's see what that looks like. Justify content. I feel like that's what I want, so I'm going to use that. Let's see what it looks like. And I'll put this here because it's the container that we want it to change, not the row. Ew, this just centered it. Okay, that didn't work. Let's do flex flow row. Let's just try it. I don't know why I was like doubting to use this. Maybe because I don't want it to wrap, but there's not a lot of things to wrap. It's not like it's overflowing. Did I? Okay. I see what it's doing now. It is definitely doing the row, but I actually want these to be on top of each other. So that was my bad. This is the wrapper. And I guess we need to be more concerned about whatever this is, which is the Kohl's wrapper instead. Wait. Did I do this right? This is the Kohl's wrapper here, but it accepts. Oh, this is the Resp Kohl, whatever. But this is a part of a bigger container, which is this, which I think is what I have. Okay. This is the Kohl's row. This is the Kohl's wrapper. Let's just stick with the Kohl's row and put this stuff here because I got confused. So see what that does. Okay. I don't like it. It's not doing what I wanted to do. This is the flex container. This is the div. Maybe if I just get rid of flex flow. Nope. So in this example, say div class equals flex container. Flex container is display flex, justify content, center. And this is how it looks like. In my example, I have this div Kohl's row, which takes in all of this stuff, which is what I kind of want. And it has these divs, which are really just these texts. So I'm doing something similar, but the difference is I'm not doing display flex. So let's try that and see what happens. Okay, and that's much better now. Not really, but so I want this Kohl's wrapper to be what is it? A row So we are going to go ahead and look at that. So this is the flex direction column. So I could do that here and see what that does. Okay, awesome. This is what I wanted. It looks, obviously I have to create the div and padding and spacing and color, but this is how I want it to look. I want it to be spaced out. I will adjust the sizes with the grid so that it's a little bit less space, but this is how I want it to be styled. So great. Awesome. So I'm gonna say for the footer, we're going to, I like the color, but I'm like, should that? I like footers to just be either black or like a very neutral color because it kind of balances everything out. So we'll see what this looks like. Obviously, I can't paste it like that. That's the background color. Let's just see what it looks like. I don't know what it's going to look like. Okay, there it is. Probably should get this to be white then. I could say paragraph. I usually would want to name my CSS selectors this generic because there's going to be different paragraphs, but that is just how it is for now. I'm just going to say color is what's the color for white? Oh my, I don't remember. White, it's called hexagon. It's code, whatever. Yeah, there it is. FFF. Cool. And okay, so you can see that. Oh, but about us doesn't have the paragraph. What happened? Oh, I misspelled it. See, this is exactly why you should just copy things and instead of trying to type it out all the time. So that should work. Okay. And then here I'm gonna just say class name icon because I don't have an actual icon. So this is my pretend icon. And I am gonna say, or I should put it here. And I'll also make it that color. I could also put like, I don't know. Depends. We'll just keep it separate for now. Oh, I just realized I'm not actually using this mic. Am I? I'm not using this. I'm totally not using this. I'm just using the. You probably can hear everything, right? I wonder if I can change it now. Okay. Did that work? Let me look on. Let's see if there's anyone in the chat currently. I wonder if they can hear me now. think I'm gonna end this broadcast and post, or I can change it. I'm not sure. Because I don't think it's gonna use this mic. I don't think you guys can hear me. Hello. Okay, it's smart. Good. Okay, false alarm. I didn't realize it got so dark. You probably cannot see me. It's not that dark here, but then again, I am using my laptop. So anyway, moving forward, I hope there was no audio issues because this mic helps you guys to hear me well. So my bad. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So cool. This is this footer currently. Gonna have to create some padding and our margin. Let's see. Let's make it much bigger. Okay, let's just do margin top. Is that still a thing? Okay, cool. And then this looks black, not gray, but whatever. It's fine. It matches. So cool. Then I wonder if it shows like how big the container is, like the height of it. You can also filter it. Oh, no height. Okay, that's too big. Okay, cool. I think that should be enough. Then I'll create another div for social media. So I'm going to go ahead and do Bootstrap Grid. We did this last week. Keep on doing it. Okay, so there's the part where it says the size. Okay. This is called, because I can't, well, that's okay. Yeah, let's do that. So in here, in this example, if we click on it, this is the widget. This is the columns, right? So we want it to be, let's see what it looks like if I do 3. Let's add up to 12. Did it do anything? No, I don't see a difference. Maybe because it needs to be under row instead of Cole's row. Is there probably a row here? No. Let's see what I did last week. Oh, okay, maybe I need to make it small. I'm gonna Command D this so that I can just change it all at once. Do y'all see a difference? I don't see a difference. Okay, well, that might not be too much of an issue because I just want to add the social media div, which is this one. This is definitely supposed to be responsive. So when it's like small, it's a size 12. When it's large, it's size 4, medium 4. So that's why you see those things. Mine is obviously not responsive right now. So so that div comes after this whole shenanigan. And what they're doing. Hold on, let me turn on my lights. I'm probably a ghost right now. Probably cannot see me. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, I'm gonna probably end in 10 minutes just to make this quite short. So look at that. This is just a class. I also wonder if it's because it's container, but no, it doesn't matter if it's a container or not. So anyway, probably gonna call this a gonna see what it looks like currently. So this is not where I want it to be. I want it to be next to each other. And I think because this is in a wrapper or footer, I should say, I need to do a display flex. So I need to go in my index CSS and go on the footer, and do a display flex. And X. And say that the flex direction is column. No. Justify content center. Let's see what that does. I don't know. Okay, so they're next to each other. I don't like that. It's ugly. I don't want it to be center. I want it to be like flow wrap. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't like center. What's this? Align items. Flex start. I don't like that either. I don't like that either. Look at how many tabs I have. This is a normal day. Normal coding day where I have like a humongous amount of tabs. Should I just Google this because this is not giving me what I want? Align content. Maybe I should just do wrap. Ew, no. That's not it. Oh my gosh. Justify content? I like justify content. Aligns the flex items at the center. There gotta be a different justify content. Space between might be it. I'll do that. Justify content, space between. Okay, that's not bad. Space evenly. Okay. I like the space between because it's a little bit more space. The only thing is, I need more space for the columns. I'm just going to try breaking this. Okay, so it doesn't want to do that. I'm not even doing math at this point. Okay, this is not it. 2 here. Clearly not what I want to do. This is 3, 4. I just want it to be bigger. This obviously looks awful. Let's see what they did. Maybe I do a large instead of small. I just don't like the terms of conditions not being on the same like inline, so that's why I want it to be large. Yeah. No. No, I don't like that. It's LG. Oh well. Let's see here. Let's do space around. Because I don't like, there's a really big space. It's not bad. Maybe change the color. I'm gonna say class name contact. Say dot contact. Say make the color white. So you can see it better. Obviously it doesn't look the way I want it to look, so I have to edit that. Also, my navbar looks crappy too, so we're gonna have to do that at another time. But this is a start. Okay, this is a start. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, wait. Someone commented display flex, then flex direction row. Okay, let me try that. Are you talking about the what are you talking about? Let me try that because I don't like how it looks. It looks ugly. I don't like it. It looks ugly. Where am I? Index. Sorry, I guess I don't see the comments while I'm doing this. I need to find a better way to stream this. I actually just need to get 2 monitors. That would be the best. I actually have another monitor. I just don't connect to it because I don't have the right connector. This is the row. So we're in footer. We're doing display flex, and you are saying flex direction row. That seems right to me. Let's try that. I don't know what you're talking about though. Okay, this is better actually. And then maybe I can justify content so that it's a little bit more space, or I can just do some padding in there so that it looks good. I like this a lot better. So great. Okay. All right. I'll probably will go ahead and do a padding left. I know there's a different way to do this, but I don't know the way at the top of my head. So I am just going to, um, okay. How much padding is here, you think? Gonna do more padding. 100 maybe. 120. Okay. And then I just need to fix this so that it's in line. I don't like that. I know it's because the columns are even, so I'd have to adjust that. And maybe put some more space here, obviously. But this looks better um, than what was before. Yeah. Okay, guys. Sorry, this is very lackluster. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed, and um, yeah, we'll continue coding later. All right, then. Bye.